Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction before the end of the year. In the next 6 months to come, I believe Terra Classic by January is going to be trading at a very high price. Now, I believe Terra Classic ending this year with a profit is much possible, considering that even top coins like Bitcoin have really increased this year, and we're also expecting BTC to rise about 40% more before the end of the year, or 70% more before the end of the year. Now, for Terra Classic, remember that so many staking have really increased this in the past 5 months, and of course so many burning are also taking place. And one important thing to understand that's happening right now with Terra Classic is that Terra Classic, so many burners right now they want to start burning. Some of them stopped about last year, some stopped about 7 months ago, some stopped about 10 months ago, but right now majority of them want to start burning Terra Classic, which I know this is going to help LUNC coin to really increase in price. Now, another thing I'm also expecting from Terra Classic is that LUNC has also trying to do a kind of a proposal which will help to burn more Terra Classic coins. Now, Binance will soon start burning 100%, 1.2% tax burn, and of course, we believe implementing this, so many crypto exchanges that are yet to start burning will also start burning. Of course, they also need to engage in the 1.2% tax burn, which I know they will be burning huge coins of Terra Classic very soon. But I'm also expecting Luna to hit over 100 billion coins before the end of the year. 100 billion bonds, 100 billion bonds before the end of the year. But let's hope to see what goes on within the next few years. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. But I believe that Terra Classic is a possibility we can earn up to 300 to 600% before the end of the year. And even though last year we were expecting Terra Classic to hit 1 cent or hit 10 cents, 1 cent or 10,000% increase in price, that was around October 2022. We have been expecting Terra Classic to hit that level. Now, in the next 2 or 3 months, we'll be entering October, which is 1 year, and Terra Classic is still yet to even rise from the point it was, because Luna have really dropped in price the past 3 months. Terra Classic have really lost a lot. So let's see if before October ending in the next 3 months, if Terra Classic price can still rise. Let's see if the market cap can still rise up to $700 million, and I believe it can. If it hits $700 million by October, then before December we might be heading towards $1 billion market cap for Terra Classic LUNC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.